How to buy a Roblox gift card with Cash App. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you how can you buy a Roblox gift card with a Cash App for you or your friends or anyone you like. So purchasing a Roblox gift card using a Cash App has become incredibly convenient nowadays. Allow me to guide you through the process step by step. First of all, begin by navigating to roblox.com or launching the official Roblox application. And after you do this, make sure that you're logged into your account. Proceed to the gift card segment by visiting the roblox.com/gift cards in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Once there, indicate whether this gift card is intended for yourself or a friend. So type in their name, or if you're purchasing for yourself, you can enter your name. And then after, click on pick a gift card. And here in this page, it will ask you about what kind of gift card do you want. Either it is digital card or physical card. So the digital card, send through your email, immediate delivery, or choose your own dates and times. So you can select your desired currency and the date and times as well. So talking about physical card, this is a traditional gift card which will be sent through the mail, and a one-time shipping fee is of $0.99 per card, which will apply per card. So you can also select a desired currency over here. So choose between sending a digital card or a physical card. So I'll click on send a digital card over here. Following this, input the desired amount to be loaded into the card. Like how much credit would you like to put on the card? Let's say I'll do $150 and the quantity, let it be 2. And you can also add a message if you'd like to. Click on where is the gift card going. Now input the person's email you're sending this gift card to. And after you do this, click on add to cart option. And finalize the purchase by clicking on checkout option. You will then be directed to the payment section where you must opt for the Cash App as your payment method. So this is how you can seamlessly acquire a Roblox gift card using Cash App. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.